Hello, friends. I hope y'all are having a fantastic week. December 8th. It's a big day for Stampin' Up. Free shipping day. Let me know if you've taken advantage of the free shipping special yet. I have, for sure. I do have one more order to make, so I need to write myself a note. But I'm putting in an order tonight, so you want to take advantage of that free shipping. Welcome to Facebook Live. My name is Cogbill. My business is called Paper Made Prettier. That's where you'll find me everywhere. And I come live here every Wednesday at 8 unless I have a conflict. So I hope you enjoy this break from your weekly routine to craft some wonderful things. Tonight, I'm currently in my business doing Facebook Lives every day at noon for 12 days in a row. And we're doing Christmas projects. This is the one we did today. Super cute. Same Facebook page right here. You can scroll down and see my 12 days of Christmas. The email is going out probably today with PDFs from the 12 days of Christmas projects. However, today, I haven't colored in a while, and I've sort of overdosed on Christmas after doing it for 5 days and for months. So I decided to go color and go completely away from the holiday catalog. So we are making some cute koalas with one of my favorite designer papers. So I hope you enjoy that tonight. I'd love to know who's watching. Say hello. And also let me know if you are a traditional or a not traditional. Hi, Ellen. If you're a traditional or not traditional Christmas color person. Okay, do you tend towards red and green, or do you go off the beaten path for Christmas? Just curious. All right, I'm going to pop you down so you can see our little craft area. And we are going to make this quick and cute little koala card. Now, get my Christmas out of the way here. So, like I said, I'm doing Christmas every day at noon. So, if you haven't, well, hi, Linda Mayfield Bright. So good to see you. I have been doing Christmas videos every day at noon, so if you're around the computer or your phone at noon, just pop into Paper Made Prettier and watch. You can always watch the replays. My Christmas videos are a little bit shorter because they're on my lunch break, so I try to get them done quick, and I hope you can join us for that. As you know, we're here on Facebook Live right now. If you're watching on Facebook Live, it helps me a lot if you can like and share this video so other people can see it. If you're watching this later for the recording on YouTube, then subscribe because you'll get to see all my videos that I do each week, and you'll love those fun projects that you get. I just want to remind you that today only is free shipping. Where's my little... today only is free shipping, and that's December 8th if you're watching this live. And your order needs to be $50, and you'll get free shipping, which that's the best sale we run, 10% off of everything. And as it stands, Stampin' Up gives you free shipping. I will give you a package of free red rhinestones because that's my ordering special right now for people that order online from me during the 12 days of Christmas. I see I left something out here. Okay, so we are going to make a cutie little project with the Count on Me stamp set. So you cannot ever go wrong with cute, sweet critters and your friends. Okay, so always a good idea to send cute critters to your friends. and we are going to make a cute little critter card with our koalas. So I actually got this idea for the layout of this card from my friend Ange McKay. She made some cute cards with this stamp set, and she used the Whimsy and Wonder paper, which was cute. But we're going to start with a base that is either 5.5. I see that I wrote this, but actually this card base is 5.5 by 8.5. Scored at 4 1/4. It doesn't really matter which way you do it. I like it going this direction. We're going to put a little pop of navy in here just to give it some fun. So this is a little navy layer that's just a smidge smaller at 4 by 5 1/4. And then we're actually going to go one more piece of basic white. Now, the card base is thick white. This layer is basic white. There's a difference. Thick white is obviously thicker, and you need it for that real, like, substantial ability of the card base. Well, hi, Cindy. I'm so happy to see you. All right, so you've got to now decide what designer paper you're going to use. And that was easy for me. I decided to go back to the annual catalog, and I just went back to my favorite paper from the annual catalog. And to me, I'm a bright and cheery girl. So, like, I like bright and cheery. So I went for the In Symmetry. And these are the sides of the paper that are printed. They're crazy cool. But I wanted to use the monochromatic ones so they would really pop against the white. Okay, so I went for the ones that were more monochromatic, as in all one color. But you could also use these cute little patterns on your cards. But these are the ones that I chose, these 3 strips. And the strips are 1 by 4 3/4, 1 by 4 1/2, and 1 by 4 5/8. So nothing fancy here, just some cute little strips of designer paper. And this is a fun way to really get your designer paper to stretch pretty far, is you're just putting, I would say, a pop of paper on your card. And then you're gonna it just makes it super cute. So I'm gonna just pop in, do one like this. We're not being careful. We're just popping these up in different fun ways. So if you're a symmetrical kind of person, then your heart is probably racing right now. Now, I did not feel like fussy cutting or die cutting tonight. I was keeping it very simple. So I pulled out a die that I knew I could both stamp the sentiment and our little critter on. So I chose the Hippo dies. And they're called Hippo and Friends dies. And they are fantastic. You may not even know they exist, but I talk about them all the time because I love them. They are in the annual catalog. They're $36, but they have all of the best labels. You've got this 8 octagon. You've got this cool little design, and then I used this little nugget to cut out this piece of white for our card. So I use this one a lot. It's just fits in all the right places. And when you're blending, I wanted to blend tonight, so we're going to stamp our little koalas with Memento. And I really love the koalas with this sentiment that says, you can, no matter what, I'm here for you, because of course you're giving your friend a little koala hug. Who doesn't want a koala hug? You know, it is Christmas time, but that doesn't mean that we're all immune to pain and hurt and struggle and sadness. So we need to continue to make and send cards to people that let them know that we care. All right. So this is a great card to send to someone that's struggling. All right, now quick and dirty blending. So these 2 blends markers are the ones that I use the most. Our blends last a long time, but I use these so much that I have gone through this particular blending marker. This is my 3rd set, because the crumb cake is just wonderful for animals, okay? And for nature, obviously, for trees and things. But I find myself reaching for them so much when we're coloring critters. So definitely make sure you have crumb cake blends if that's the only pair of blends that you have. So the way that we blend, everybody blends differently, but the way that I blend is I color in with the light layer first. So we've put our light crumb cake in, our little layer, light crumb cake. Now, I love this stamp set because it gives us hints. It tells us exactly where to go. I'm going to scroll down a little bit so you can see. But do you see here where these lines are? The stamp set is telling you where to come in and put some extra detail. So we're just going to go in with our dark thin side, and we're just going to layer in a little layer of darkerness. And then anywhere that's obviously like shadowy, like that would be under or behind something, you want to darken up. And I do think their little feet would be a little bit darker here just because they're towards the bottom. Okay, now we don't want to leave it like that because there's too stark of a contrast between these two. Oh, sorry. So we need to go back to our light crumb cake. And you can see our blends have a thick side and a thin side. So when I'm pulling this color out, I want to go back to my thick side and just pull it out a little bit. And actually, I'm going to just put one more layer of color. So I'm pulling that darker crumb cake into the lighter, and in the same time laying in one more layer of color to my little babies. Aren't they cute? So putting in this extra layer and really pulling out that, you don't want that harsh line where you've put your dark blend. You just want to pull it out there. See how it's pulling out and it's separate? I mean, it's becoming less separate, but see the darker colors still kind of continue there. So that was a little bit of a harsh line, and now it's gone. So how about that for a little blending? I love it. Do you love it? I love to blend. It makes me feel like I'm in kindergarten again. All right, so we're going to pop this up with dimensionals, just simple as can be. And whoopsies, left that one on the paper. And we're gonna pop the backs off here, pop this on our card. Now, you could stop here, no one would fault you, but since we've made the cutest card ever, then we need to reach for the sweetest ribbon, and that's also in our annual catalog, and this is our Bumblebee Gingham ribbon. I think this is probably my 6th or 8th, oh gosh, probably 10th spool of this because it's just precious for everything. It goes perfectly. It was great for fall. It was great for summer. It's great for any season, and it's going to be great for this card. So what could make a koala more adorable than some gingham? Am I right? So pop in your little bow right there, and this card is ready to rock and roll. So I hope you love that card. You can see we also have a cute little bear, a fox. I don't know what kind of bird that is, but it's super cute. A kangaroo and a penguin with a balloon, of course. Through thick and thin, count me in. Love comes in all shapes and sizes. We can make it through anything if we do it together. No matter what, I'm here for you and I've got your back. So I went to my card stash and pulled this card that I remember that I got for a swap. I can't remember where or who made it, but there's another example of a card from this stamp set. This is a standalone stamp set. It's $22. It's not going to break your bank, and you want to add it to your order. Also, please order the hippo dies, okay? You're going to not regret that. Don't forget that tonight only, today is free shipping. It ends at midnight. So, hi Anna. So get your orders in. They have to be $50 or more. When they are $50 or more, I will also send you a free package of red rhinestones. Don't forget, let me just remind you, the 12 Days of Christmas videos every day at noon for the next 6 through 12 weekdays. So that starts up again tomorrow at noon. Please like and share. Please subscribe to me on YouTube so you can watch my videos. And don't forget free shipping. Take advantage of that tonight. All right, guys, have a fantastic night. And as soon as I get off of here, I'm going to look at the video every week. I decide who wins the card that I made from the week before. And so liking and sharing will get you entered into the drawing to win this card. So make sure and like and share, and next week you will be eligible to win our cute project. All right, bye-bye.